Hey guys, this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the Coach Kennedy sandal. So I'm gonna show you how the sandal looks. So this is how the packaging looks. I ordered it from Macy's. So the packaging is really nice. So it's in the size 6. So the original price was $150, but there was some discounts. I got it in a very good deal. So I'll show you how the sandal looks. So this is the packaging, and this is the sandal. So this one is one type of Canadian sandal, but there is another type which is like real leather. This one is not real leather. This is like man-made leather, but the build quality is really great. You can see the sandal, the stitches and everything looks very perfect with this Coach logo, and here written with Coach, and the back portion with this Coach logo, and back portion is like kind of like a silicone kind of material and with a slippery fruit. So it's really great material. If you don't like this color, this is like natural neutral color. They have like vibrant gorgeous colors which probably you like, but I choose this one because I need this color. They have a lot of other different options also, but there is another Canadian slip-on sandal which has like studded detailing, which is like real leather. Probably you can find in Coach site or Coach store, but that was like I think a little bit expensive than this one. But this one is also looks good, but it's not real leather. This portion is leather, but these portions are not completely real leather. But this sandal looks good for everyday use, for your spring summer. It's a great sandal, and also looking very nice and sophisticated because the looks is very like great look. You can use it like everyday use, and it goes with like every kind of dresses, jeans and everything.